Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a box from Universal Yums. They sent this over to me so that I could show it to you, so I'm excited about it. This is, look how cute this packaging is. My address is on the top, so I'm not going to show you that. But there it says Universal Yums all around it. It's a really nice, sturdy box. This subscription is a monthly subscription, and what they do is they go all over the world. So there will be snacks in here from a particular country. And if you get 5 to 7 items, it starts at $16 a month. 10 to 12 items starts at $26 a month. And 15 to 18 items starts at $41 a month. I'll have a link below. I don't have any special codes for you or anything. They do run specials from time to time, so you can look for those if you're interested. It's just a lot of fun because there's a lot of good things in here to eat. And I'm a person that likes to try things. If you like to try things and check out different countries, this is the box for you. So it opens up very nicely like this. And then right in the top is a map, and it tells us where we're going. So this one is Welcome to France. Oh, how exciting. Right now they have where you can go online. I looked at the website. You can choose France. You can choose Poland. I would have been happy with either. I have Polish ancestry, so I would have been happy with that one. And this one's France. So this is, let's see what's all on here. Oh, this is nice. It tells you about different cities or towns in France. So this is a great family box, a great learning experience for the kids and everything. And also, you know, for adults. And on the back, there is the Yum scorecard, so you can write down what you think of the items. And there's some different information on here. So lots of fun, delicious, excellent, just wow. Okay, so they want you to rate it like amongst your family and whatever. So that'll be a lot of fun. And then next there is this booklet. And it says, Away We Go to France. And then inside, it's, let's see, there's all kinds of stuff. Salute, which means hi. Before you dive right into snacking, we've got some sweet tips to help spice up your Universal Yums adventure. See, this is a fun thing to do with the family. You know, you can talk about the food, you can read about the food, and, you know, open it, smell it, taste it, see what you think of it, and just learn about another country. I think that's really cool. Okay, you can't get in there. She's getting into the box with the food. Okay, you can't do that, Camille. So it talks about the ibex and how perfectly balanced they are when they're on the Alpine Mountains. You can't do that. Camille was getting in the box on top of the chips, so I got her out of the box and forgot to turn the recording back on. So I have just talked about everything. So let me try to go through it again. It's all right in front of me now instead of in the box. Smudge is now in the box. So we have, I think I have the medium box, the medium size box. So we have this lovely Le Chipsier Fran case. Now, I don't know how to speak French. I've already said this, so I don't know if this is on film or not, but I'll do my best to try to pronounce things. These are chips. They said that they're going to be a savory flavor. Potato chips flavored with aioli, I think is how you say that, and that is garlic, I'm almost positive. So that will be interesting to taste. And there is another bag of the same brand, and this one has goat cheese and chili peppers. So that is going to be delicious as well. Real French potatoes, sunflower oil, no preservatives, no added MSG, natural flavors. So that's nice, good and nice, and healthy. Well, you know, they're potato chips, but natural and stuff. So then we have this Truffy's Cookie and Company. These look, from the picture, they look like chocolate chip cookies, but I'm not sure what they're going to be. It says cookies, French cacao truffles. So maybe it's these little truffles mixed with cookies. I'm not real sure. And then we have, I'll show you that and then I'll read it to you. Les Sablés de la Mer Poulard. Okay, we'll go with that. Pure, I don't know how to say this word. It's B-E-U-R-R-E is butter. I know that is butter. And these are pure butter biscuits. And these are just like a nice biscuit that you have with tea, with hot tea. Love these kinds of things. We'll open these up and try some of these here in a few minutes. Then we have these strawberry bonbons. They're chewy candy, it says. If you can see that in there. They feel pretty hard, but you know, once you get a candy like that in your mouth, then it starts to, you know, where you can chew it a little bit easier. And we have this, says mini roll, and there's a raspberry on it. I don't see a brand name or anything, but whatever it is, it's soft. It feels like a little Debbie cake in there. You know, we'll look at it. And then there is this Gicopa, maybe. I'm not sure how to say it. But these are hard candies, and they are sour cherry. And I, living in Chicago, you know, that's the, you know, like New York, the melting pot of people. Some of the grocery stores there have international sections. And I remember getting tins of hard candies, little round tins. And they would have hard candies like this, and then they would call them bonbons. And they're just great if you have a dry throat, if you just, you know, your throat is sore, you want to suck on a candy, that's what these are good for. Some people just like to have that kind of candy around. Then I already opened this, y'all, because I thought I was filming. This is the Yum bag. This comes in every box. And here, I ripped it open. It's called the Yum bag. It says, so what is the Yum bag? You know the phrase, good things come in small packages. The Yum bag is that phrase embodied. As we're searching the world for the best yums to bring you, we sometimes stumble on smaller finds that are big on crazy flavor, but small in size. Inside you'll find only the most extraordinarily mysterious and incredibly delicious teeny yums in the world. And remember, don't eat the bag, okay? So I already took everything out of here. I already taste tested something. What's in this bag are these wonderful caramels. They're not labeled. So they probably come in a bigger bag, and they're letting us have a taste of them. This is my favorite kind of thing ever. I love a caramel. I love chocolate. So that is wonderful. And then what else is in this bag are 4 of these, okay? These are that same brand, Truffles and Company, but there's 1 in here. So that bag, where's that bag with this one is gonna be what this is in one of these, okay? I opened it, I taste tested it. There are several in here, and they're truffles. So this is what they look like. It looks like that. It's very dark chocolate, and it's also has powdered cocoa all over it. And I bit into this one. I ate half of it, and it just melted in my mouth. It is absolutely delicious and rich. Got cat bites on me. And it says Truffles and Company, and this one says popcorn. It shows popcorn. And when I tasted this, it was so rich and delicious chocolate. Like I said, it melted in my mouth. And then the end of it, the last bit of flavor was like popcorn. See how, you know, it's just delicious. Rich. Like one of these would do you because they're so rich. But it says popcorn flavored truffle. Oh, Camille, could you sit down? So that is what's in the Yum bag. Really delicious. Let's take a look at some of these other things. So that's what this is going to be, a truffle. And instead of the popcorn in it, it's going to have the chocolate chip, broken chocolate chip in it. That's what I bet that is. Now, in the brochure, was it this one? Tells you about things. Let's see what it says about the truffles right quick. So if you like rich, this is a good box to try. So yeah, decadent dark chocolate, and then with cookie pieces on the bag. When Marie Antoinette married Louis the 16th in 1770, she moved her entire life from Vienna to the Palace of Versailles, including her personal chocolate maker, who was given the new title chocolate maker to the Queen. Knowing this, it might not be surprising that Marie was famous for having sweets first thing in the morning, with breakfast featuring cups of rich hot chocolate and tons of cookies. We're not saying you should eat these melts in your mouth truffles for breakfast, but we're also not saying that, okay? So it tells you stuff like that. Just, it's a nice, this is a great subscription to share with people. Also, there is one other thing in the box that I wanted to show you. This is, I figured out how to say it. Say, moi. M-O-I is moi, correct? And that means me. So this is c'est moi chocolate. This is dark chocolate. It's 47% cacao, and it's sea salt crystals. So it's very beautifully wrapped. These they have at Publix, chocolates like these, chocolate bars like these that are, you know, $6, $7, $8. It's sealed pretty nicely. Well, I'll show you. I might as well show you everything. I can't eat everything, but I can show you everything. See, it's very rich chocolate. I will enjoy this. This is the chocolate that they say is good for you. You know, the darker the chocolate, the better. And I love any kind of chocolate. I love dark chocolate. And I'm happy to have like a piece of this at night, you know, as a snack, you know, after supper or something. Sounds good to me, y'all. And let's see. Let's open these and see what they look like. These are the Les Sablats de la Mer Poulard. I know I'm butchering the language. I apologize for that, y'all. This is the butter biscuits that made the French swoon since 1888. So yeah, this is great the way it's packaged. So you can see that they are biscuits, little butter biscuits. So these are going to be delicious. I'm not going to try them now. They're just yummy. It says freeze. Before you try this famous French shortbread, you should know the main ingredient is sand. What? We know. Let us explain. Sablés are centuries-old cookies made by rubbing cold butter into flour and sugar to form tiny particles of dough. Given the dough's striking resemblance to sand, these golden breadcrumbs came to be called sablé, the French word for sand. Okay, so not really sand. It's just a tease. Okay, let's look at this little Debbie cake. Like I said, it doesn't have a brand name on it that I can find. Cake roll with raspberry filling. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, it smells good. So it's a little sponge cake, and then there's your raspberry in there. It smells really tasty. It smells just like real fresh raspberry. Very good. It says to eat it for breakfast. It's really tasty. It's way better than a little Debbie cake. And then these are the truffles that I showed you. And then these little hard candies, you know, you can see them in there, so I'm not going to open that one, okay? And then these, let's see what these are all about. I probably won't be able to taste one of these right now because they're hard. And I'd like to take pictures for Instagram too, but oh, that smells very, very strawberry. So that's what it looks like. See, it is. This is going to take a lot of work to chew it because that is my side teeth chewing on it. Yeah, this is the kind of thing you know, suck on for a little while to get it where you can actually bite into it. It's very good though, strawberry. It does say that it's artificially flavored. I'm gonna open the chips and then we'll be done. I was just gonna look real quick and see if there's anything important I need to tell you about any of these. Everything. Oh, here's about the caramels that didn't have in the Yum bag. Fleur de Sel, S-E-L, caramels. France's famous fleur de sel meets buttery sweetness. I don't know what fleur de sel means. Fleur, F-L-E-U-R, flower de sel. It says it was only, all right, salted caramel is so popular you might think it's been around forever, but in reality, humans figured out space travel before they figured out this now iconic flavor. It was only in 1977 that confectioner Henry LaRue debuted the first salted caramel, made with Brittany's famous sea salted butter. By 1980, it was voted the country's best candy, and by 2008, it had gone global. with Haagen-Dazs and Starbucks debuting salted caramel products. With this yum, you'll understand why this French flavor has stuck around quite literally. It is really one of my favorite flavors is the salted caramel flavor. So that, or salted chocolate, it's very nice. Okay, let's go on to these, the chips. There's the garlic chips, and they are not showing the other flavor. So we'll open the garlic since that's the one they're talking about. It's if it's a special occasion in Provence, you'll surely smell one thing: garlic. Garlic is the most wonderful spice for if you want, spice for cooking with. It's just, who doesn't love garlic? I suppose there are people that don't, but oh my goodness, those smell good. So they look like potato chips, and they're really strong garlicky. Really strong. Like raw garlic. They're good. But, and I do have raw garlic in salad and stuff like that. So it's really strong. I'll have to brush my teeth. If it's a special occasion in Provence, you'll surely smell one thing: garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. It's delicious. That's because everyone will be eating aioli, how do you say it? A-I-O-L-I, the local garlic and oil dip. It's ordinarily reserved for Fridays when it's served with boiled vegetables like green beans, carrots, and potatoes. When Ash Wednesday comes around, it's served with poached cod. And on Christmas Eve, it's snails that typically get dipping. Your invitation to Provence's pungent tradition: these ridged potato chips, which taste just like the real thing, but with no dipping required. Yes, you will get garlic breath. Yes, and yes, it will be worth it. So in Provence, they have those gorgeous lavender fields that we see. Of course, Claude Monet is from Provence, famous for his Impressionist style, and the Tour de France is in Provence. Is it in Provence? Or it's a 21-day long bike race that spans 2,200 miles. So it goes through all there. So that is all about Universal Yums, y'all. This was a lot of fun. Delicious. I will be eating all of this, I promise. It'll take me a little while, but I'm going to do it. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And like I said, I'll put their website below if you're interested. Click on it and check them out. See if it's something you'd like to get. It does say you can get a subscription. It's a monthly box, or you can get just one box at a time, or send it as a gift. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.